Stop it. We just do the routine, dog.
Yeah, how much you talking about? Puppy loved it. Choreography by me. Yeah, he's talking about money, and then he said, Pretty Princess. I had to teach her some of the stuff. I had to teach Bree some of the stuff.
Great choreographer. Get that right though.
I need to say something. I need to say something really quick.
No, you don't.
This video was dedicated to my parents. Look, they're not supposed to be knowing about this because this is going to be a surprise for their anniversary.
Ooh, I can't email it to nobody.
Okay. Nope. Not this episode. I need to say something really quick. This guy said, how many money? We need to get some money. And then he said, I'm ready to turn her out.
You the only one still laughing.
She a one-hit wonder.